G'day YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a quick update on this large Shimpaku juniper that I have that I did some air layers off not long ago. I'll put a link in the description section so you can see the link to the previous video I did of this tree. So what I want to do is just show you, it's still all wired up and twisted and bent. I just wanted to check on the air layers today. So it looks very strong and healthy. All the bends I put in are still there. The tree's healthy, no dieback, nothing's died. So that's really good. Now there's an original air layer in here and there's two in here. I've just taken the black off that just to give you a quick look, and I'll come in and show you how it's going. So this one we already knew that it was actually growing quite well. I just want to take some more air layers off the top half of this trunk. There's two trunks, so this half I'm trying to air layer that trunk off, and that's going really well. But I've put two air layers in here that I want to take off before I took the main branch off. So I'll grab the camera and show you a close-up of how it's going. So this is the main trunk that I've air laid before. So I'm just getting myself a nice seat, and this is the one that has that. I did a little video on how I water it, and there's a hole in there, and I put a syringe and I water it, and look at that. That's pretty much ready to come off. That's easily ready to come off, and that's quite a substantial size trunk that I'm coming off. There's two trunks. The other trunk I'm leaving and doing more air layers, but that's that one. And this one, there's two in here. So I'm gonna have to try and get focus, but what you can positively see is, look at those roots starting to pop already. Now this wasn't that long ago I'm pretty sure this wasn't that long ago I did this air layer. I've got to check my video for myself to have a look, but look at that. That's not far off from coming off. That first little one we can get off soon. I'll give it another month, I reckon, and then I can take that off. So that's going to come off. Now having a look at the next one further along. Oh yeah, it's going to be hard to do this. It's in here. There it is. But let me try and get some focus. Now I'm going to have to check the camera myself, but I can't see too much on that one. I think it's a bit blocked as well. It's hard for me to look in and have a look at that, but maybe focus back out. Yeah, it's going to be very hard for me to have a look at that unless I open it up to see. I can't see visible roots in this one at all at the moment, so we'll just have to wait and see that one a bit longer. But this one's going really well. Oh, jeez, hard to do close-up work. There we go. That one's doing well, and this one I can't see that much of roots. Could be just starting to form. I think I could see just one in there, or there could be one just there, unless I'm blind. Oh, hang on, is that one in there? No, maybe not. But anyway, I just wanted to have a quick look. That's not too far off. I reckon give that top one another month, and then let's have a look at that one in the next month's time. So now it's late September here, so probably late October, and I'll come back in and have a look and probably remove that one. I think that'll be ready. I really want to get rid of this guy, but I can't get rid of him, take him off yet until these have been successful. So okay, there you go guys, another little quick update on my air layering and how it's going. Very quick results, especially on that one there, and very healthy roots growing in that main section, as I expect, especially in the warmer months. As we come into Melbourne, we're coming in late September now, early October, and the trees are looking very strong and growing really well. Alright guys, that's another quick little video update. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and click the little bell icon so you can get notifications of new videos. See you next time.